Well, hello everyone and welcome to a rather windswept edition of WildlifeGarden today. I'm back in Norfolk at this half-acre meadow site that I created 3 years ago now, I think, where I had bulldozers in here, diggers, and it was, a really great job for two very good friends of mine. So yes, do check out that video at the end of this one, and you can see the full creational video of this site. It has been amazing. The floral diversity has really come on in 3 growing seasons, so really chuffed with the results. However, today it's due for a hay cut, so we are going to cut the banks over the back, the main meadow. I've got another bank over there somewhere and a couple more banks down this side. So yes, lots of cutting to do. Obviously I'm going to check for amphibians, reptiles, whatever I can find before we start the cutter, and the guys are going to walk through here with me and just see if we can usher things out the way. But yes, we're going to cut and collect, cut and rake off, and obviously I've done more videos, of which I'll put another link to at the end of this one, as to how and when to manage your wildflower meadow in your own garden. So do check those out, guys. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to start up my little agri mower and start cutting this wildflower meadow.